Good morning, fellow adventurers. Out here in the Hunn Nature Park here in Kent County in Delaware. Just wanted to get out today and stretch your legs a little bit. Everything else going on has been a little nerve-wracking, as you can imagine. This park's about maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles from where I live. In a populated area, so it's not really remote, but a nice couple mile loop that we can do here. Get out and see some nature, get some hiking in. And oh yeah, the park is only a couple miles if you take all the loops. It's a nice crush and run path here, easy going. You can even get wheelchairs on it if you're you need accessible access. Runs along the St. Jones River. Marshy areas in the back end of it, but you know, the trail's pretty much dry. They got some boardwalks, raised boardwalks on areas that need it. We are going to take the right-hand fork here. So this is the fork where the loop comes off here to the left, goes around out there by the water, comes back here, and joins back up, and we're going to go left. Alright, so yeah, we, like I said, we just wanted to get out today and become a little more sane with everything that's going on right now. It's been hard. You know, you get out when you have to get the essentials. So I wanted to bring everybody up to speed on what I got going on. So the Zion trip is definitely out this year, at least for the planned May time frame. Gonna see what happens. You know, things open up and everything gets better. May try and reschedule something somewhere. But with Zion closed, Vegas closed, you know, I just didn't see all that happening. With travel restrictions in place, and didn't really think it was going to be feasible to head out there, so I went ahead and just canceled all my reservations. My air flights are not refundable, so they will be rescheduled whenever I figure out what I'm going to do. So, yeah, it's beautiful out here. So anyway, theoretically, if I do make it back out to Utah, I might try and plan maybe a week trip, try and do the Kings Peak area up in the high Uintas. Have to do that later on in the summer, like maybe towards the fall, before the new snow hits and all the old snow is gone, because right now they're still snow packed up on the peaks. So that's one possibility. The other one is maybe I'll do a week on the AT, knock out another section. I don't think I'd go back down to North Carolina and Georgia to finish that part, but I'd probably just do it up closer to home, Pennsylvania, maybe even New Jersey, something like that. It's a couple-hour drive. So again, play by ear, see what happens. We're kind of at the mercy of this COVID-19. So that's what I'm going to do, is just sit out and wait. I'm not really going to do anything until it's, safe to do so and legal to do so. So what are you guys doing to keep active, keep busy? Are you getting out there? Kind of curious. I'd like to know. Put it down in the comments and share. Again, hope everybody is safe and healthy and getting out there and doing something when you can, even if it's just a local trail or getting outside doing your yard work. This isn't something to need to be living in fear about. It's just using some common sense and being smart about it. Yeah, definitely needed this. This is my first time out since it's probably been 4 weeks, maybe a month. Yeah. Still considering John Muir for next year again, 2021. We did not hit the lottery this year. Me and a buddy of mine down in Georgia, when we were hiking down there, November 22, we had the lottery ticket in, trying to at least get him the permits, but neither one of us hit it, so not that it would have mattered. So I'm going to try again for next year. Not sure who I'm going to take. Just going to see who's available. May take a couple people, who knows. More the merrier. But alternate routes down there are probably the best bet from here on out, because with everybody not hiking the trail this year, next year is going to be brutal with the permits. They put some other restrictions in on the John Muir, and basically all the national forests in general along the Sierras have kind of tightened down permit requirements on exiting the trail. So it's going to get interesting. Guess I'm taking too long. My boy's up here waiting for me with his arms on his hips. All right, well, we got the one loop done. We're going to probably, Nathan, you want to hit the other one too? Go around the other way?
Yeah.
Hit the second loop here. This one's got some raised boardwalks above the swampy, marshy areas, as well as some of the more solid trail. This is the loop where we'll be coming back out of. This trail was actually just completed here several months ago. I think, early spring they opened it up and completed the both loops. Been under construction for a while. My son actually worked on part of this when he was working for the county. Plenty of wildlife around, squirrels, birds, small critters, waterfowl, especially out in the river area. Some of the things you'll see out here are lots of geese, muskrat, a lot of herons. We got blue herons all over the place out here, as well as bald eagle and countless other birds that I couldn't identify if I looked at them, but there's plenty of them out here. Alright, so this part of the trail is not going to last very long for us, because it's starting to get into the low-lying marshy area. You can see all these water reeds here. Right back in there, it's pretty much mush. All the rain we had the last couple days is definitely going to get wet quick, so we're going to stop when that happens. Nate, that's far enough, bud. It's going to get wet back there. All right, coming out of the little marshy area here, we're gonna make a right. Head deeper into the park. This will dead end, a little loop, and we'll come back behind over there, which is another marsh area, but they got a raised boardwalk over it. Alright, so we have come to our little loop dead end here. Wait on Nathan to go around. So during all this crazy, some of the things that we've been doing is, of course, the yard work, getting around the neighborhood, walking our new neighborhood, getting to know people. We are doing some bike riding, getting out to these local trails when we can. This is actually probably the first time the weather's been coordinating with us on the weekends since back in January. It's just been hard to get out. Luckily, my job allows me to work from home. I'm in the information technology field, so everything I can do from home. Unfortunately, not everybody is in that situation. You know, it's been kind of difficult for everybody. Even if you guys have to get out and camp in your backyard, you know, that counts, doesn't it? And anything to keep your sanity, keep your spirits up. Get online, check out your new hiking gear. Shop for new hiking gear that you might need. Something I've been doing the last few days is sitting and watching YouTube videos on our new TV. It's got that YouTube app on it, and I've been sitting and enjoying the John Muir Trail videos from other hikers, and, you know, seeing their experiences. Just do whatever you need to do to keep your spirits up, keep your sanity. It'll help you get through it. Alright, so here's one of those raised boardwalk sections I was telling you about. Keep you up off the marshy areas. Well, everybody, our hike is coming to a close. We're just about back to the car. Thank you so much for tagging along today. Hope you enjoyed it. Just ask if you like what you see, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you like the channel, subscribe, please, and share the ones that you think other people might be interested in, if if they're into this. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you out there on the trail soon. Take care, guys.